Nanking is a city with a rich history that has played a central role in much of China's history. It is the capital of the Jiangsu province in eastern China, and a port on the Yangtze River. The city was founded in the 8th century BC. The city served as the national capital of China from the 3rd to the 6th century AD under many different names, in addition to parts of the 10th, 14th, and 15th centuries. In 1421, Beijing became the imperial capital of China, where Nanking was given its name, which it used until the Qing dynasty when it was named Qiangning. Qiangning was open to foreign trade in 1860. It remained an important treaty port for Chinese trade. In 1912, the city was renamed Nanking and made the provisional capital of the new Republic of China. 1927 saw Nanking taken by communist control, but the city was retaken by nationalists under Chiang Kai-shek in 1928 when it was named the nation's capital. This footage was taken on March 10, 1929. This reel was taken with an early Movietone sound camera. I colorized, cleaned up and upscaled this footage. Enjoy the footage and don't forget to like and subscribe.
照电影，看是照电影片子。喂，